This is a piano tutorial on the very popular hymn, Amazing Grace. And I'm going to show you this first as a soloist, where you play the melody in the right hand and the chord in the left hand. And so we start with the fingering here. You start with your thumb on C. By the way, I do have this online for you on my website at Fresh Learn for those of you who have taken my instant piano class. If you haven't taken that, it's easy to find online. You want to get it in the key of F, and that means you've got one flat in it. So look for that if you're looking for that online. Here's the melody. You start on a C. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound. Really no problem there with the fingering. When we get to like, though, we're going to put our second finger on G and move your fifth finger up to that note. And that keeps you in good position for the next phrase. And then you're going to have to lift up your wrist and put your thumb on C. And on blind, you're going to put your third finger there on F. So really not a lot of things to worry about with the fingering there. That's the right hand. And what we want you to do is we're going to play our chord, the F chord, like that on Amazing Grace. On Grace, we're going to move our, we're going to stay on the F chord like that. Amazing Grace. On Sweet, though, we're going to move our B flat chord down to this. D, F, and B flat. You don't usually put your thumb on a black key, but we're going to do it this time. And that's going to allow you to avoid overlapping with the melody there. And on sound, we're going to play F like that. C, F, and A. The reason for that, again, is to avoid bumping your hands together with the melody. And then we go back to the regular position on Saved a Wretch Like Me. Now we're going to do a C7 chord. It's E, G, B flat, and C. Then we go back to F again. I once was lost. And on lost, we're going to play an F7 chord. And this is going to add this E flat note on the top. So it's F, A, C, and E flat. You've got to kind of move your wrist forward to do that, and it's a little bit tricky because you got to get it in that spot, but that's how you play the F7 chord. But now we're going to go down to that position for the B flat we did before. D, F, B flat on the top like that, and then F like this, C, F, and A. Then we have a D minor chord, D, F, and A, and your C7, E, G, B flat, and C, and then back to the F chord again. So this is what it sounds like with the hands together.